Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we shall be looking at how you can put in watermarks in your documents. And some watermarks help to ensure that your documents, your work is not shared without your knowledge, and someone else doesn't claim your work as theirs, especially when printed. So watermarks helps to guard against copyright violation by some other persons that are trying to rip you off. So you have your Microsoft Word documents, you wish to um, watermark, put watermark on this document. What you just do here is to go to the insert tab, insert tab, um, sorry, the design tab rather. So what you just do there is you go to custom watermark, then click on text watermark. Let's say you want to save it with your business organization name as Do Good Enterprises and Company. So you choose the font size or the fonts you want. Let's say I'm to choose Portuguese. Yeah. Then size, what you want to make it a big size. So I just go for auto. Then semi-transparent or transparent depending on your choice or taste. So if you use semi-transparent, that's how semi-transparent is. Then if you use transparent, if you use no transparency at all, you can also change the color. So that's when you change the color. See, Do Good Enterprises Company. So if you wish to increase the fonts, you need to show here. So as you can see, the font order. So just play around and find your choice. Yeah. So that's how to put watermarks on a document. As you can see,